There are a lot of ways to earn free crypto online, but many people are not taking advantage of those opportunities because they don't know where to look and how to go about it. In this video, I'll be showing you how to earn free crypto daily. But before we get started, I post videos that will guide you on how to earn crypto online without stress. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and watch all of my videos. With that said, let's get into today's video. The first thing that you need to do is select your mobile device from the list here and start mining cryptocurrency free. This won't take too long, you just need the right tools to get started. So head over to bitcoin.org. The first thing you need to choose is your operating system. So select either Android or iOS, depending on which one you use. And in case you're wondering, both are profitable. If you want to mine crypto on your laptop device, then you can choose between these other options. The next thing is to choose from a list of available wallets. If you're big on security like me and you want to secure your funds in a 100% safe wallet, you might want to go over for a hardware wallet. Those types of devices are generally safer, but at the end of the day, whatever your choice is, it doesn't matter. As long as you successfully set up a mobile or a desktop wallet, you're good to go. Now let's move on to the next step. How much do you know about Bitcoin? I've been doing this for quite some time and I'll not consider myself an expert. Unless you have an in-depth understanding of the crypto market and have seen the trading for some years, I'd advise you to select this option here for new users. By doing so, you tell the website to recommend more beginner-friendly options. If you don't want this website to set up advanced options that you don't know how to use, stay on the safe side and select the option for new users. So click on Next. Now, when it comes to the certain crypto exchanges and wallets that I've used in the past, the major drawback has been fees. I wonder if it's just me, but I don't like to pay fees when I make crypto transactions because they reduce my profits. So when it comes to the features and criteria that are important to me, I often select fees. Moving on to the next question, and that's what features are you looking for? This is another important one, but depending on your needs and preferences, you can choose whatever ones you prefer. I'll just select the features that I'm interested in and move on. Once you're done answering those questions, you'll be prompted with one of those options. So right here we have Electrum. Based on my selection, electrum.org was the most suited for me. So according to this website, bitcoin.org, the best option for me was electrum.org. Remember that they asked me a few questions to determine the best fit for my needs. So we'll be needing a crypto address, and if we don't provide that, we cannot make any money. If you don't have one yet, then set up your Bitcoin wallet with the easy click method that I just showed you. Now, let us move on to the next step and start making some profits. But before that, as a bonus, I have a platform for you where you can also make money. I'm sure a lot of people here are in need of buyer traffic, right? With this platform, you can blast any link to 2.7 billion Google Chrome users for unlimited free buyer traffic and get $197 payments over and over, all in 30 seconds. This requires no website, experience, tech skill, or hidden cost. It's 100% never seen before method, and you can simply start by clicking on the link in the description below. By the way, you need to hurry because the platform will be open only to the first few people. Moving on to the next step and the part where we start making profit. You won't be the first person to make money from this website called bitcoinliveapp.com. People from all over the world are making money as we speak. People from Uganda, the US, Pakistan and India, and from everywhere. Now let's check out the list of daily payments. This website does this so that they're transparent with your users from all around the world. You can even verify this on the blockchain. We can do that later, but for now, I want you to see that users from all the continents across the globe are making money right now. All you need to have is stable internet and you're all set. Now let's further inspect this tool and see what's happening. Now to take advantage of this powerful tool here, click on the green Start button. Next, log in with your email address. Now enter your Bitcoin address. This is where the first step we took earlier comes in handy. Remember, you won't be able to use the Bitcoin wallet unless you have a Bitcoin address. What that means is that if you don't have a Bitcoin address, there is no place for you to send the money. Now paste your Bitcoin address and click Start Mining. At this point, patience is the very key because if you want to make a profit, you have to be patient because this tool will take quite some time to process and set up. However, once you're done with that, then you're all set up. Don't worry, you can watch the progress from here. Watch until it's completed, and once it gets to 100%, you'll see this beautiful notification that the mining is successfully completed, and that's the amount that was sent to the wallet address. If everything was successful, you should be able to see your earnings reflect in your Bitcoin wallet. Now, let's go a little further. As you can see, we place in our crypto key where we want to log in. So here's how you get that. It's quite simple. Getting the key is not free. You'll have to purchase a mining key. You can choose between the daily crypto key, the weekly key, which is the best seller, or the monthly key for the stipulated amount of money. Now let's do a quick calculation. If you choose the cheapest one, which is the daily crypto key, it'll cost you an extra $24. Here's the thing about this website. Even though you can say that they're a bit sus about the pricing, this is a pretty wide interval. So what does this range right here even mean? From 0.1 to 0.2 Bitcoin. Checking with prices today, 0.2 Bitcoin is about $4,000. So you'd be making $4,000 when you invest $24. That doesn't make sense. Let's do a similar process with the weekly crypto key and the monthly one as well. As you can see, the average earnings with the monthly crypto key are between 1 to 3 Bitcoin, which is a pretty wide margin. And for me, this is a red flag. Let's explore it a little bit further to see if it's real or not. Now, if we head over to the homepage, we're going to see some of the latest withdrawals here, or we can just check out the latest payments on this section over here. Let's select the daily options. As you know, Bitcoin transactions are 100% transparent, meaning that we could just copy the Bitcoin address right here, head over to the blockchain and verify the transaction. That way we know for sure whether or not it's legit. So let's do that. Right now, I've connected to the Blockchain Explorer, and I'll just paste in that Bitcoin wallet address and hit enter. That will display all the latest transactions, deposits, withdrawals, and everything else. Here's the thing, on this particular address, there are only 2 different transactions worth $5,000. One is a deposit and the other one is a withdrawal, and they're just 1 day apart. And this transaction was done back in 2020, which doesn't make any sense because, according to the website, this transaction was done this year. This is just another massive red flag for me. Now let's look into this even further and try the same experiment with another crypto address. I'm just going to copy that address and paste it into the Blockchain Explorer right here and click on enter. According to the listing on this website, there should be a transaction done recently, this year. And just like the other time, there is none. That transaction was done some time ago in 2020, so this doesn't make sense. It doesn't correspond. So this website is not legit. I can't say for sure, but keeping in mind all the red flags that we've seen so far, I'd advise you to be careful with spending your money here. Now, how would I do that? What I'd do is use a different approach. I'd use a free Bitcoin miner, such as CryptoTab browser, for instance. You can check it out at cryptobrowser.site. Now, as soon as you're able to make some profit with this tool, when you've earned some crypto with no investment whatsoever, maybe you can take the risk and invest some crypto here. It can be risky, but in the end, it's your call. Before investing, always do research on the web and confirm that they are a legit platform. That way, you can make an informed decision. Well, that's all I have for you for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, be sure to give my video a like, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you in my next video.